Hi everyone, Jennifer Katie here. Today we're going to be baking donuts. Now, everyone loves donuts. And after testing lots of donut recipes and probably eating my weight in donuts, I finally tweaked the perfect baked vegan donut recipe, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys today. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe now so as not to miss out on any more amazing recipes. Grab yourself a whisk, a bowl, and let's get started. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these absolutely scrumptious baked vegan donuts. I bought this tin from Amazon and I couldn't wait to try it out. This is such a simple and quick recipe. It literally takes minutes to prepare, minutes to cook. There's no point in heading out to the shop to buy donuts when this is that easy. And the reason I personally love these vegan donuts is that it gives me the perfect excuse to eat cake for breakfast. And where I live, it's almost impossible to get vegan donuts. So henceforth, I will be making them from home. First things first, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. And this is just a quick reminder of the ingredients that you'll need to make your vegan donut mixture. There's 180 grams of flour, 65 grams of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 60 mils of oil, a dash of vanilla essence, 190 mils of milk, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now you've got your bowl, we just need to add the ingredients. Firstly, you need to add 180 grams of sifted flour. Add into your bowl, like so. And then add 65 grams of caster sugar, like that. Next, you're going to need half a teaspoon of baking powder. And add 60 mils of oil. Then you're going to need 190 mils of milk. Today I'm using unsweetened soya milk, but you can use any vegan milk that you like. While testing my recipes, I did try using oat milk, but they weren't quite as fluffy, so that's a tip right there for you guys. Now just add a dash of vanilla essence. And last but not least, we need to add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And don't worry, you're not going to taste this vinegar, but it is going to create the most amazing texture. You won't regret it. Now that's all the ingredients into the bowl. We just need a whisk. I told you guys it was simple, didn't I? You only need to whisk this for around a minute. We've had an absolutely amazing time this week in this house. We have made so many recipes, so many different toppings, but for this video, we decided to do the famous Simpsons donut, pink with sprinkles on. And when I told the kids about the Simpsons donut, they'd never even watched the Simpsons, can you believe that? And the plus side for pink donuts is it goes with my outfit. Okay, so now we've been whisking for about a minute. The texture of this looks absolutely smooth, it's runny. This is the consistency that you want. Oh, I just got a scent of vanilla. That smells so good. Now that's your vegan donut mixture done. We just need to grab the donut tray and grease it up, ready to pour the mixture in. And this is my new donut tin. And as you can see, it has room to hold 6 amazing donuts. So to grease the tray, I use a cupcake case, some vegan butter, and I just grease the tins like so. Gotta grease them real good. And I'm using these cupcake cases to do the greasing so my fingers don't get all greasy. Done. I'm just going to pour the mixture into my measuring jug. This will make it easier to pour into the tin and no need for a piping bag. And the last thing we need to do with this vegan donut mixture is pour it into the tin. And what makes these vegan baked donuts even healthier is they're 100% fat-free in the center. I'm using a measuring jug because it's really runny and I can just pour it in there, but you can use a piping bag or a piping gun if you like. Now that was the perfect amount of mixture. There's nothing left. It makes 6 donuts, there's no waste. Now all that's left is to bake these vegan donuts in a preheated oven for 12 minutes. Now, while our vegan donuts are baking in the oven, why not add in the comments below and tell me what your favorite donut is, whether it's baked, fried, what kind of topping do you like? Now, my absolutely favorite donut has to be a millionaire shortcake filled donut. It's absolutely incredible. I haven't even tried to make it, but maybe I will. And while we've got a minute, why not hit that subscribe button and ring that bell? And that's our vegan donuts out of the oven. They've been in there for 12 minutes and this is the color that you want. They're perfect and they smell so good. Now you just got to leave them in the pan for about 1 minute, because if you pull them out straight away, they're going to stick to the pan and they're going to break. So just leave them for 1 minute. Now these have been cooling for a minute, grab yourself a rack, place it on top, and then you're going to flip them over like this and they should come out like so. Now we're going to put these donuts to one side and we're going to prepare the topping. Pink with sprinkles. So the first thing we need to do to create this pink, gorgeous icing is 190 grams of sifted icing sugar. So I'm going to sift that now. Pop it in there and sift that. Now we need to add in 4 tablespoons of milk. You can use any milk you want. Today I'm using unsweetened soya milk. So here we go. Now we're just going to add in a few drops of strawberry flavouring. Now we're going to add in our pink food colouring. I'm just going to add a few drops of that too. Grab a spatula and mix this up. Now that's our icing all mixed together. Now for the fun bit. Dip in donuts. This is a really fun but messy task. Simply grab yourself a donut and dip. Dip in donuts. And just do that for all the donuts. Dip and twist. Now we've dipped and swirled, we're going to add our confetti to the top. I've got 2 different types, unicorn confetti and some strands. So here we go. Some strands and some confetti. So I've plated up all these donuts and made double quantity because I have a big family. Considering how quick and easy these donuts were to make, they look amazing. Look at those colours pop, like the Simpsons donuts come to life. And I tell you now, these donuts taste absolutely amazing. I defy you to find someone that can tell the difference between one of these and a non-vegan baked donut. Now for my favourite part, chef's perks. Look at this perfect donut texture. It's fluffy, light, bubbly. It's literally perfection in my hand. The Simpsons. If you guys loved this video, hit that subscribe button now. When you've made your donuts, why not snap a picture, tag me in or DM me on Instagram and I'll add it to my Insta feed to inspire others. You can also find me on Facebook and Twitter now too. I'll add the links for you below. And thank you for watching my vegan donut recipe. If you love this video, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you all next time. Bye! It's gone.